Henkaten is a systematic approach adopted by Toyota to proactively manage changes within their manufacturing system to maintain stability, prevent defects, and ensure continuous quality. This is change point management. Though originated in manufacturing, Henkaten principles also apply to the service sector by identifying minor deviations in personnel, procedures, tools, or environment that could affect service quality or customer experience. In this episode of S&P Knowledge Series, let us now further explore this vital concept in detail with examples and discuss the topic. Henkaten, the Toyota's Change Point Management, Precision in Every Change for Excellence, authored by S.N. Panigrahi. Henkaten is key to Toyota's success. Henkaten, a core principle within the Toyota Production System, TPS, focuses on managing critical change points to uphold stability and quality. It promotes continuous improvement. This lean manufacturing concept directly supports the philosophy that small, focused adjustments can yield significant improvements in customer value. Small changes bring big results. Henkaten combines two Japanese words, henka meaning change or variation and ten meaning point or spot. So Henkaten literally translates to change point, referring to a specific point where a change has occurred in a process, material, method or machine. This concept is crucial in Toyota's approach to quality control and continuous improvement. It manages the how of change. These are significant planned changes, not minor daily adjustments. Henkaten refers to small localized process changes or deviations, not routine daily adjustments but minor shifts that could impact quality, safety or performance. It is a very structured process. This method prevents disruptions. Quality and efficiency are protected. This is key to operational strength. Understanding Henkaten is vital. It shows how Toyota manages change in process, material, method or machine. It reveals their core discipline. Stability is kept during innovation. Quality is never compromised here. Henkaten is a formal change point. Henkaten, a core principle within the Toyota Production System, TPS, focuses on managing critical change points to uphold stability and quality. This lean manufacturing concept directly supports the philosophy that small, focused adjustments can yield significant improvements in customer value. It means pre-planned modifications. These changes affect production systems. They are managed very proactively. The goal is smooth implementation. Risks are assessed with care. This ensures minimal negative impact. Minimal disruption is the aim. It controls the impact of changes. Henkaten refers to minor changes or deviations in any of the 7 Ms: man, machine, material, method, measurement, mother nature or environment, and management. This critical system prevents defects. It maintains all safety standards. It ensures consistent quality output. The system stays stable despite evolution. Henkaten is quite different. These are minor process deviations, or small localized adjustments. Often these are reactive needs, or very minor planned tweaks, not the significant shifts of Henkaten. The scale and planning differ. Henkaten involves a rigorous process: preparation, validation, full documentation, clear communication across all levels. Henkaten might be quick fixes, handled by team leaders directly, far less formal, but still monitored. Both aim for overall stability. Henkaten is for small but significant changes. The 7M framework is key: man, machine, material, method, measurement, mother nature or environment, and management. These are production pillars. Henkaten applies to these areas. We shall now focus on each of these core 7 Ms with examples. First M. Consider man changes. A new vehicle model arrives. Workers need new skills. New training programs are developed. Workers are trained on new ways. This is a clear man-related Henkaten. Second M. Machine. A new version of CNC software is installed. This boosts efficiency. Operators face interface changes. Slight delays or errors may occur. This is a machine-related Henkaten. Third M. Material. A different supplier provides engine oil with the same specs. Subtle performance changes or minor inconsistencies in machinery arise. This is a material-related Henkaten. Fourth method. The sequence of quality checks is changed to improve speed. Minor disruptions in workflow follow. This is a method-related Henkaten. Fifth M. Measurement. A new digital gauge replaces a manual one. Testing and validation are vital. Calibration variations impact results slightly, and slight inaccuracies in data collection. This is a measurement-related Henkaten. Sixth M. Mother Nature or environment. Ambient temperature drops during winter, affecting paint drying time. Impacts, finish quality variation. Or sudden rainfall turns site muddy. Impact. Slower equipment movement, higher safety risk. Process consistency is impacted. An environmental Henkaten. Seventh M. Management. A team leader is replaced. New leadership style causes slight workflow variation. This is a management-related Henkaten. Visual management and the value of Henkaten. Managing change points is critical. Visual management enhances the effectiveness of Henkaten by making even minor process deviations visible in real time, enabling quicker response, standardization, and control. It supports a proactive quality culture where small changes in the 7Ms are immediately identified, communicated, and acted upon before they escalate. This action maintains high quality. It ensures good efficiency levels. It upholds important safety standards. Uncontrolled changes cause big problems. Defects, delays, and rework occur. Henkaten prevents these chaos. Stability is key. Visualization tools are essential. They make change management effective. Change point control boards. Change point control boards are utilized to visually track, monitor, and manage ongoing Henkaten, ensuring transparency and timely action. Detailed information on each change is systematically captured and analyzed through structured A3 reports, supporting informed decision-making and continuous improvement. A3 reports are structured problem-solving tools used to document, analyze, and communicate details of Henkaten effectively. Visual work instructions are updated. They highlight new steps properly. Visual aids promote full transparency. Everyone sees the current change. Operators, engineers, all managers. They understand their roles clearly. Progress is easily tracked daily. Potential issues are spotted early. Quick responses are then possible. Implementation tips. 1. Identify change point. Any change in 7Ms, man, machine, material, method, measurement, mother nature or environment, and management. 2. Risk assessment. Analyze potential impact on quality or safety or other performance factors. 3. Cross-functional review. Include QC, production, engineering, SCM, and cross-functional teams. 4. Document the change. Update procedures, work instructions, logs, and SOPs. 5. Verify and validate. Test the impact before full-scale implementation. 6. Monitor post-change effects. Collect feedback. Check KPIs. Audit for continuous improvements. Conclusion. Henkaten helps maintain process stability by proactively identifying and controlling minor changes that could impact quality, safety, or performance. This shared understanding is powerful. Henkaten is truly invaluable. Systematic change point management. It is vital in all production, especially for lean, efficient environments. It supports continuous improvement goals. It ensures sustained high performance. Toyota's success shows its power. Adopting Henkaten offers great benefits. It builds disciplined change culture. Henkaten is not just about spotting small changes, it's about mastering them before they master you. Embrace it as a daily discipline to drive excellence, prevent defects, and create a culture where every small change leads to big improvements. Let's identify those subtle changes and transform them into powerful leaps forward. Do you find the presentation informative and useful? If yes, then click like and also subscribe the channel for free to receive updates. Thank you. For more details, contact SN Panigrahi at the below contact details.